Hey everyone, Trailblazers fan 1458, Captain Falcon Fanatico 7 here. I got a train coming by, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alrighty, I'm gonna have to upload a later video about why I have been gone for for quite a while. It may be today or tomorrow, like later today or tomorrow. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna have to explain later because I'm like out. So this has been Trailblazers fan 1458, Captain Falcon Fanatico 7, setting off.